Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Amsterdam. The A-Class is the single best example on how we managed to rejuvenate our entire brand.
Combine something that is very beautiful with something that is very clean, contemporary and techy. And I think that's an expression all over the car. When you see the proportion, when you see the stance, when you see the treatment of the exterior, I'm truly convinced that this is, again, one generation ahead.
The new A-Class has been further developed, improved in all technical dimensions. There's everything. It's of course how it rides and drives. It's a new powertrain, connected car features, safety. Everything on the new A-Class has been improved.
I very much like the design, the exterior design, the interior design, but I have to admit that the new MBUX system, of course, is an absolutely wow innovation, and I'm personally especially keen on that one. Hey Mercedes.
Yes, please.
Tell me a joke, please.
Sorry, my engineers were German.
I'm very much convinced that the new generation will build on that foundation. Even though the car is somewhat more mature, it definitely will appeal big time to our younger clientele, but not exclusively. Hey Mercedes, you look amazing.
Thank you, that's so sweet. I'm blushing.